Changing your business category on Gumroad can help you better target your audience and improve your sales. Follow these simple steps to update your category. Step 1. Log into your Gumroad account. Visit the Gumroad website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the account associated with the business you want to update. Step 2. Go to your dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to your dashboard. This is where you can manage your products, settings, and account information. Step 3. Access account settings. In your dashboard, look for the account settings option. This is typically found in the menu of Profile section. Click on it to access your account details. Step 4. Find business category. Within the account settings, locate the section for business information or category. Here, you will see your current business category listed. Step 5. Update your category. Select the option to change or edit your business category. Choose the new category that best fits your business and save the changes. Make sure to review your selection to ensure it aligns with your offerings. After completing these steps, your business category on Gumroad will be updated. This can help improve your visibility and attract the right customers.